Hey, ready to create a foundation for an epic year? I spent 6 months of my life and $20,000 to create my automated money-making machine. During the last 4 weeks, I made $11,000 using my secret strategy and automation tools. Well, it's illegal to do any income claims, but I'm ready to share the strategy and tools I used to achieve my results. Feel free to join my Freedom Breakthrough Bootcamp and just follow these steps. Step number 1. Get access to a membership area and learn how it all works. Step number 2. Setting up your new business is easy. Step number 3. Push the traffic button. The lead generation tool is included. Now, just use my secret daily income producing activity plan. Guys, I just wanted to create my own successful online business that runs for me on complete autopilot, and I did it. Remember, no income claims are allowed, but just check my results below. Join the Freedom Breakthrough Bootcamp to learn my strategy and get access to my automation tools.